Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn to use the Correl formula, which is so powerful and so amazingly helpful that it allows you to find out the relationship between two data sets. For example, we want to see that the temperature in these months was this much and the sales were this much. Now, is there a correlation between the temperature and the air conditioned sales? Similarly, if the advertising cost for each month is this and the sale amount is this, is there a correlation? What is the correlation between them? So that is what we need to find out. So we will learn how to use the correlation, the Correl formula, and see over here I have already applied it. So it shows a correlation of 0.86%. The correlation can vary from 0 to 1. All right. So 0 being lowest, 1 being highest. So this is very close to 1. So it is high correlation. This is the same thing converted to percentage. You can convert this to percentage. So this shows a 28% correlation, which is very low. How did we do this? Let me show you. So for correlation, for Correl formula to work, you need to have two data sets. And the bigger the data set, the more informative, the more relevant the result is. So we type in is equal to correl, and it says returns the correlation coefficient between two data sets. And I open the bracket, it says array 1, so I select this array, comma, and array 2, this array, close the bracket, and you get your answer. That coefficient is 0.86, very near to 1. You can even convert it to percentage. It's 86% correlation. So this means the higher the temperature, the more the sales. The lower the temperature, the lesser the sales. And here, let's see if there's a correlation between advertisement cost and sales. Again, correl and array 1, comma, array 2. You can have multiple arrays also. And the correlation is 28%. You can convert this correlation to just numbers by formatting it. So format cells, and you can have a number category, and you can increase the decimal points. So it's 0.281, which is very low. So hence percentage 28%. So the advertisement cost is not having a good effect on sales. So maybe they need to see how they're advertising, to which sector, what medium. Maybe they need to rethink. So this is how the Correl formula works. See you in the next video.